Actually, it was out of their imagination that their children will face such a catastrophic accident, and those who are survived, they are still traumatized. Here we see some guardians with their children who were at that time in the school premises. They are still here to see the update of the rescue operation. Even some children are still missing and the guardians are still searching for their missing children. Here is a guardian whose baby is a student of class 4 at the same school, but luckily the baby survived because at that time she was just out of the classroom to have tiffin, and luckily she survived, but the whole accident was happened in front of both of them. I'll talk with them what was actually happened at that time and what's their feelings now. একটু বলবেন ওই দিন কি দেখেছিলেন?
আমি আসলে দেখেছিলাম যে মানে বাচ্চাকে নিয়ে যখন আমি যাচ্ছিলাম তখনই মানে উপরে একটা শব্দ হইলো, তারপর বিমানটা ক্র্যাশ করে ওদের যেখান দিয়ে ক্লাসরুমে ঢুকে, বিশেষ করে ক্লাস 3 ক্লাসরুমেই ঢুকে গেছিল।
তখন আপনার পরিস্থিতিটা কি হয়েছিল?
তখন আমি আমার বাচ্চাকে ভিতরেই থাকি সব সময়, কোচিং এর করে, এই জন্য ছুটির পরে ওরা ভিতরে থাকে। তো আমি আসাতে আমার বাচ্চাটা বের হয়ে আসছিল, মানে দুপুরে কিছু খাওয়াবো সেজন্য।
Luckily বেঁচে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ, লাকিলি মানে
She said that actually she gave tiffin for her baby regularly, but on that day luckily she didn't give the tiffin and she came to the school just to feed tiffin her baby, and the baby was out of the classroom to have the tiffin. In the meantime the accident was happened and they are lucky that the baby is still survived, but many of her classmates and friends have lost their lives. I'll try to talk, though the baby is a little bit traumatized, but I'll try to talk with her what actually she saw at that time. মামনি, কি নাম তোমার?
জাফিরা বাসার তোরসা।
তো তুমি কি দেখেছিলে একটু বলো তো?
আমি দেখেছিলাম যে আমি টিফিন করে আসতেছিলাম, আসার পরে একটা বিমান যাচ্ছিল, ওটা অনেক বড় একটা শব্দ হয়েছে, হওয়ার পরে একদম আমাদের ক্লাসে এটা পড়েছিল।
তুমি অনেক ভয় পেয়েছিলা?
হ্যাঁ।
কি করছিলা তখন?
তখন আমি মাঠের দিকে দৌড়ে একদম ওই ইংলিশ ভার্সনের রাস্তার ওইদিকে চলে গেছিলাম।
The baby said that the plane was fallen just on the classroom of her, and she was so panicked and she ran away from that side to the field, and luckily she is survived. Here the people, those who are here till now, they are now demanding that such training plane should not be chosen such type of crowded places, and all sorts of training programs should be held in any isolated places so that such kind of tragic accident never happens in this mega city, in this crowded mega city of Dhaka. This is a demand of the people here, and we also expect that the authorities will take this to avoid any such kind of tragic incident in the future.